God. Brother, ask the people them if you commit a crime, or ask them where them are got charge for or whatever. If them not charge you, or if them not give you a ticket, tell them to go back to sit back and go on where I'm going. Make them give you a ticket, anything them a give you a ticket for, take a ticket to go court, pay and it done. Why we stand up right so? Everybody else come and gone. And now we alone the right so. Brother, me relax, but me I say, just like I write, if you are going to charge you or whatever, I do something. I give you a ticket, just give me a ticket, I could go on.
We can't take anything in the night.
Bro, listen now, you not understand. I just not. Alright, listen now, you see like all them have for them protocol and for them procedure, we have to want to, we have rights. If them not giving no ticket or do nothing, them supposed to do what them do and give away things like could go on. But it's not like you don't have it. If you don't have it, them will give you a ticket. You get the ticket, and when you get the court date, you get the cover letter and you present it to the court. So you didn't have it before you get the charge, right. Before you get the ticket. If you don't have it by you. I'm not going like, no, right, Simon. I might mad, but I know a little something. You don't have the cover note, you get the court date, you present it in front of the court. And if you have it, if them put the dates here today, so today are the one. So today are the 22nd, and you get a ticket today on the 22nd. And if you can remember when the man tell you, if you can present the cover note and the cover note shows you didn't have this way before the 22nd, them are going to throw it away. Them are just dash your case and like that. You know, just give away, make you go on where you go, brother. I'll be out so like we are mad people. Everybody come and go and I will want out so stand. And I deal with the rough, I give them attitude, but sometimes you have to just know, bro. Let's stay there. Stay there, if you don't know what you talk about, brother, then dig it down and deal with their way. You stay there. Alright, back on the vibes again. At least the police that give me a little light, so. Can be, watch this out, watch him. What am I doing?
Tap more of them tapping.
So.